Closing your account on TD Ameritrade can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here's a quick guide to help you through it. Step 1. Review account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Contact customer service. Reach out to TD Ameritrade's customer service via phone or online chat. Inform them that you wish to close your account and ask for any specific requirements they may have. Step 3. Complete required forms. Follow the instructions provided by customer service to complete any necessary forms for account closure. This may include verifying your identity and confirming your request. Step 4. Confirm account closure. After submitting the required forms, ask for confirmation of your account closure request. Keep a record of any confirmation numbers or emails for your reference. Step 5. Monitor account status. After a few days, log into your TD Ameritrade account to ensure that it has been closed. If you notice any issues, contact customer service again for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully close your TD Ameritrade account. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team.